Welcome to Beyond the Destination weekly tip. Every week we'll post a short video with a tip for RVing. So I'm out at the fifth wheel where we store it. We're not traveling this weekend. I'm out here to do some cleaning. The front cap has gotten pretty dirty over the last few trips. The refrigerator needs to be cleaned and a few other things, and do some maintenance while we're out here and get it ready for our next trip. So follow along. Since I wanted to clean the front cab, I decided to bring our pressure washer with us. I left some water in the tanks after our last trip to plan ahead. So I brought our 1600 psi pressure washer, turned on the water pump, so we'll see if this is actually gonna work. I connected it to the outside shower. Got my fresh water hose here and got that connected. So let me turn it on and let's see if it's actually gonna work. A little doubtful, but it's worth a try, right? So here we go. Turn on the water. Water's flowing. We'll test it out. Well, that looks a lot better. It's not totally perfect. There's still some spots of dead insects on there, but a lot better than what it was. So I would say that's a success. Took a little while for the pressure washer to build up the pressure, but once it got going, it actually it worked well. So I've got that plugged into our 3000 watt inverter, running off our 400 amp hour batteries, and then the hose is just connected to the shower. So easy peasy. Nice way to clean your RV while you're off grid. So it is possible. Next, on to the next little project.